Hey Trailblazers, this is Thonius. I'm here to give you a guide on what the Calyx is, a few tips and tricks, and a little bit of a preview if you're just getting started. Okay, let's get into it. So what is a Calyx? So according to this, it says, a strange creation in the shape of a flower bud, with golden stamens and pistils and ink-black petals. It seems to continuously imitate and piece together elements found in reality in an attempt to create new existences. Right? So this all has to do with all the disturbance in the universe that's happening right now. But what's interesting is that you can jump into these and you can farm for materials. I have level 2 unlocked here because I ascended to level 30, and you do need to ascend in order to unlock level 2. You can see here that the mobs get harder. They started at 16, but now they are at level 32, which is good, right? Because you get better rewards and it's a little bit more fun and challenging. This particular one is a bud of aether. So if you need to get aether or ether, I guess I should say ether. If you need to farm ether, this is the one that you're going to need. And each individual calyx is going to give you different materials. So not only you're going to be able to get trailblazer points and farm for being able to level up, so you can unlock all these other levels, but you also get the specific materials that you're looking for. So once they're unlocked, you can find them here on this survival index. So you can see here that, these are the other options, the other tabs, but if you use the rightmost tab, you're going to be able to go to the simulated universe, the Forgotten Hall, but you see here in the middle, Calyx Golden and Calyx Crimson. Now, Calyx Golden is what you get when you first start the game. And I believe you have to first, in the frozen part of the first planet is when you first unlock these and you first run into them. So you're going to be able to start farming these materials, and they're going to be at level 16. So, you've got all these different things. So, one of them you can farm just for credit if you're short on that. We've got the bud of aether that we were just standing at. So if you need to, I'm going to keep calling it aether because I think it looks and sounds cooler. So in the upper right, I've got 161 out of 180. And that slowly replenishes over time. You can see 58 seconds until I get my next one. And then it'll fill up to 180. And once you're maxed, it won't fill up anymore. So you do want to use these up. And then here's the Calyx Crimson. So once I ascended, it unlocked all of these, and these are specific to each individual path. So let's say you need to unlock traces for destruction, which is, your main character, which was Stell or Calyx, depending on which one you picked. So this is the particular one that you would need to farm if you need those particular materials. As you can see here under traces, these are the materials that I need to level these particular ones up. So if I needed more of them, I just go to that particular calyx and I farm more. And if you have run out of Trailblaze power, check your inventory and see if you have this particular consumable, fuel, and that will allow you to refill it. Personally, I wouldn't use Stellar Jade because I would like to use those for summoning tickets, but you are able to do that as well. You can use either one in order to replenish if you wanted to not wait for them to replenish on their own. You don't have to go in there one at a time. You see in the lower right, it says challenge waves. So if you think you have enough health and stamina in order to do 6 waves, then you'll be able to generate more rewards, all with less effort of having to click in and out. I will have to double check to see if you get more rewards. If you do more waves, I don't know if you go out and do 5 individual or 6 individual waves, or if you go in and do 6 if you get more by doing all 6 in a wave. I would hope so because it's more effort. But here I'm just doing a sample of doing 2 waves, going in there very quickly and finishing them off. So there's the second one. Got my team pretty set up, and also because I'm level 30 right now and I'm starting to level all their traces, all their gear up. It's very easy for me to handle level 32. It's very easy to farm these. So I could very easily do a level 6, right? Just have this a little bit left to do. Good old Don Hung, finish it off. Challenge completed. And there's my rewards. Now I can go in one more time, as it says right there on the right, but if you want, you could just exit out and go on about your day. Now, unfortunately, they don't heal you. So what I like to do is I like to just teleport out, heal myself up, and then go back to the map and just teleport back to the Calyx. And that's a nice added benefit too, right? You have more teleportation spots now with these Calyxes. Hope you found this quick guide useful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow, and check me out on Twitch if you want to watch me play the game live in action and chat. Safe travels, Trailblazers. See you in the next video.